Hello and welcome to Goa 365's Story Behind the Story. Now we are slowly heading into the assembly elections date. I can't even say slowly because things seem to be happening almost on a daily basis. People are resigning, people are joining, door to door is happening, candidates, politics. So it's quite a big khatkate, as we would like to say, or not. I don't know, that my esteemed panels will discuss later. So without talking too much, I would like to bring Viraj into the debate, where he can give us a few details on the people who have shifted and who could be players in this election. But before that, I will introduce you to our panel. Viraj Naik, senior journalist Gurudas Saval, and our own Ramesh Naik Raut from Salset. So I will bring Viraj in immediately on the show. Viraj, please continue.
So let's start from Salset. So heavyweight Churchill Alemao has joined TMC. He is claiming he has merged the legislative wing of NCP into TMC. Now, what effect it will have on his prospect is what the panel will discuss. So I'll give you a small brief. Last time he won comfortably, despite the alliance not being there with Congress and NCP, and Congress candidate being there. This time around, the same is going to happen because TMC is not having an alliance with Congress, and Congress will field its candidate. Who that candidate is, we don't know as of now. Compared to last time, AAP has gained in strength, Venzi is gaining strength. So how that will play out is something that the panel has to discuss. It will be very interesting. Along with Churchill, Valanka has also joined TMC. As far as Valanka goes, TMC's Louisine Falero's vote bank will definitely help her. Looks like it will add up to her votes. There it is a comedy of errors. Avertan, who was an independent supported by BJP, has joined Congress. Pratima, who was with the Congress, has joined AAP, and Valanka is there on TMC. Another interesting fact is there is sizable BJP vote bank, especially in the Dovalim area. Now, whether BJP will field a candidate or they are not going to field a candidate, if they field a candidate, who will benefit, and if they don't field, who is likely to gain, is something that time will tell.
Yeah. Gurudas Bab,
Yeah.
your take on this.
विराजान आता पळय सांगला की चौथी आलेमावन ताची चली दोगांना जॉइन जाले TMCक. चौथी आलेमाव इज अ very very weak person in Salset or in that to entire South Goa also. ताच्या नावांक पळय जो वालोर आहा न्ही, किंमत आहा ती आनीक थंय कोणाक ना. जरी व्हडले लिडर आसात, ex-CM बी तो ex-CM आहा. He has also been a MP. And we have seen his functioning also as a deputy CM or CM, maybe for 14 or 15 days. And even then he had worked as a PW minister and other ministries. ताका जो बाणावले ताका जें नांव आहा पळय, त्या नांवांक जी किंमत आहा तिचो ताका फायदो जातलोच. आनी वालंका पळय आहा न्ही, शी इज अ न्यू कमर. शी हॅज बीन ट्रायींग फॉर ticket for last so many years and could not succeed. But this time, because of so many parties are there, TMC, Aam Aadmi Party and other parties, and more are also in offing. Yeah. Plus, there is one more party is coming to Goa now from Punjab. Yeah. So all these parties असल्या कारण लोकांक खूप चान्स पडला आता. कारण म्हाका दिसता की प्रत्येक मतदारसंघात 7 ते 8 तरी कॅन्डिडेट आसतले, सिरियस कॅन्डिडेट, प्लस इंडिपेंडंट बी आसता ते. त्यामुळे बाणावले कालची जिल्हा पंचायत इलेक्शन जाले पळय, त्या भाशेन आम आदमी पार्टीचो मनशान थंय जिखला. सो दे आर ऑल्सो हॅविंग व्हेरी गुड बेस इन बाणावली. सो वी हॅव टू सी हाऊ पीपल रिॲक्ट नाव. Secondly, there is a point that Churchill claims that he has merged his party into TMC and he is the MLA of TMC party. But what I feel now, that he is the only MLA of your National Congress Party, NCP, and he is free to take any decision as it is done by MGP. 2 of the MGP MLAs, they merged their legislative party into BJP. 10 MLAs from Congress also merged. So, and they were safeguarded by the speaker. So I think here also, as long as speaker is in the ruling side, he will safeguard the interests of Chatri Alemao and he will continue to be MLA. Law may say whatever the law may say, 10 schedule may say anything else, but as long as speaker is there, he will safeguard the interests of Chatri Alemao.
Okay, that's a very interesting take on Churchill Alemao legalities and all. But I would tend to agree with Gurudas Bab on this issue
Yeah.
on record. रमेश हांवें तुमी सांगा आतां सालसेत जाला सारकें आय डोंट नो कितें तें डिस्क्रायब करपाक म्हाका काय उतरां ना बट तूं आमकां हे बेनावली नावेली हे हितून मातशें हें कर
सांगला आनीक हिंटूय दिल्लो की खतखतें हें खरें हें खतखतें अशें खतखतें आसा सालसेतीचें तितूंतल्यान फोडी काडपा म्हूण त्यो मेळपाना असली खतखतें सद्याक हें सालसेती चलता चर्चिल आलेमांव आनीक वालंका TMC जॉयन जालें खरें आनीक म्हाका दिसता चर्चिलान रायट टायमार रायट डिसिजन घेतलां हें तरी दिसता कित्याक एक वटेन आप जेन्ना ताका मार दिवपाक लागलो तेन्ना खंय तरी चर्चिलाली घुंवले आनी चर्चिलान हो रायट टायमार डिसिजन घेतलें आनीक चर्चिलाक फायट दिवपा म्हूण तो वेंजी आसलो आतां खंय तरी TMC जॉयन जावन चर्चिल बरो पावरां आसा चर्चिलाक वयना आनी त्याच बरोबर जे वालंका नावेली हितून रावता ऑलरेडी जाले कडेन आसा म्हूण सांगला नावेलीक तेजी जे आसा बरी होप आसा आनी बरी जातलें कित्याक लुइजीन जो आसा लुइजीनाले वोट आनी हेजे पयलीं चर्चिल नावेली रावल तेन्ना खूब काम केले कडेन आसा तो वोट ही जर वोट पळयली जायत तर नावेलीक वालंकाक बरें आसा आनी बरें आसतलें आतां तितून रोल आसा म्हणटा BJPचो BJPन आजुनूय कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर केलो ना जर BJPन जर हितूंक जर कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर केलो खंय तरी BJP सरतरी आनीक आमचे ह्या बाबान सांगलें तशें की दवल्ली सारक्या वोट आसा नावेली मतदारसंघाक 5,000 ते 5,500 BJPची वोट आसा आनी ही वोट जर पडली जाल्यार कित तरी चेंजीस जावपाक शकता
But Ramesh, now this is सगळ्या पॅनलाक आतां now this is so funny that we are talking about सालसेत एक पार्टी काँग्रेसाचे आल्लाले but now we are not even discussing in two main constituencies of Salset we are not even discussing Congress which is to me very shocking. Viraj, now you are our the statistician, you are our numbers man. What is this? How is this? And I'm putting a slightly googly for you because this is more but how I am like really shocked at this. What do you feel, Viraj?
No, even if you look at last time's data, last elections, Congress stood third in Banavlim. Naveli ते जिकिल्ले पण बाणावले third आयिल्ले. So this is an important point and same trend looks to be continuing with Churchill in TMC, Venzi in AAP and Congress not yet decided its candidate. As far as Navelim goes, that same trend seems to be moving to Navelim with Valanka, Pratima. Congress might still end up being third आणि आमच्या बाबान सांगला तशें BJP votes will also play a major factor खंयच्या सायडीन ते वतात BJP कोणाक घालता आनी घालना जाल्यार ते वोट खंय ट्रान्सफर जातले दिस विल प्ले अ मेजर रोल
नाही आम्ही आपण सांसद म्हणटा पळय ऑलवेज अ स्ट्रॉंग वोट ऑफ काँग्रेस
Yes, for so many years आयकोता तेन्ना
पण फाटल्या इलेक्शनात कितें जालें पळय काँग्रेस पार्टी वॉज व्हेरी वीक लायक आनी ताची इनफायट इतली आनी ती फाटली 5 वर्सां आमी पळयता पळय काँग्रेस कितें चल्ला असेंब्लीन आनी असेंब्ली भायर सुद्दां आनी पार्टी लेवल सुद्दां ते पळयल्यार आतां लोक सामके काँग्रेसीक विटेल्यात म्हणटा पळय तशें जाल्ले परिस्थिती जाल्ली आहा दॅट मिन्स सम पीपल वील स्टील होल्ड ना फॉर कुर्तरी आले रेजिंडाल पळय आहा न्ही ही स्टील होल्ड फोर्ट स्ट्रॉंगली सारको पण मडगांवांत जर विजय सरदेसाय आनी दिगंबर कामत जर दोघे एक कडेन आयले जायत त्या दिगंबराकय थंय व्हडलेशी भंय ना सेम थिंग वील बी इन फातोर्डा ऑल्सो बिकॉज दिगंबर will help him आणि विजय सरदेसाय will help दिगंबर सो दीस 3 कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी सोडले बाकी सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी प्रॉब्लेम झाला आणि कालच्या कधी लोक निवडून आयले पळय ते ऑल जम्प टू BJP who are their main rival everybody was criticizing even विजय सरदेसाय also इलेक्शन झाली तर भाषण काढून पयली जाय so that day against BJP but next day he said now if Parrikar become chief minister I will support BJP
But Parrikar was always the face of the BJP even before election.
So ते ताका लागून लोकांचे सामकें बेजार जालें आतां कितें जालां लोकांक दुसरो पर्याय मेळ्ळा आम आदमी पार्टी पळय आहा फॉर एग्जाम्पल नावेली Pratima has been doing a very good job as a Mahila Congress president. But she was ditched in the Jilla Panchayat election, and that's why she has jumped to Aam Aadmi Party. So I think she is having sympathy from the public. Only main question is of the BJP. If BJP contests, put their own candidate, then the situation may change. But the votes of BJP will not go to Congress.
Not go to AAP, it might go to TMC.
TMC.
Or not.
Yeah.
that
problem is there.
Yeah, okay. Now we talking about South only. Let us bring in Kortali. This is just yesterday's, today's. Yeah. Now Kortali, as we are aware in our last survey, Viraj, Kortali, Aam Aadmi Party has the highest vote share as a party, but they had no face. Now today is the first time, I think, in 7 years, a BJP, I'm not, you can correct me if I'm wrong, a BJP MLA has left the BJP and joined the Aam Aadmi Party. Normally it used to be, all the others would, but what were, now, will that play a role in Kortali, Viraj?
So last time Alina Saldana won with a slender margin. There were 4 candidates who had got above 3,000 votes, and she won with a margin of hardly 400 votes. So it was a 4-cornered fight, and that's the reason she managed to win. Now there is another important factor here is Antonio Vaz. So there is one independent who is very strong. Last time he got around 5,000 votes, stood second despite AAP and Congress being there in the picture. And he is going to play an important role. As far as Alina Saldana goes, it was rumored, maybe a panelist will be in a better position to tell you, that she will not be getting the BJP ticket. That could have been one of the reasons for her to shift to Aam Aadmi Party. Also, like in our survey, Aam Aadmi Party was gaining traction there. That can help her now that they have a face. To what extent, we do not know as of now. And Alina is an exception in the sense that she's the only one who's gone from BJP to another party and not the other way around.
बीजेपीचे जे काही लोकांना तिकीट मेळपाचें ना नाही तातूंत ती एक आशिल्लीच व्हॉट इज सांगता खरें कारण तेंच्यांनी जी इंटरनल सर्वे केल्ली आहा BJP तातूंत शी डज नॉट स्टँड एनी चान्स एज अ BJP कॅन्डिडेट सो दे वर ट्रायंग टू avoid her and give ticket to somebody else. Even Movin had said yesterday that we had some, even in 2017, it was difficult to get her elected. And that's why now that she has left, BJP will win the seat. But Alina has done some good job during the last so many years. And she was the only lady and she was expecting to be a minister. But BJP did not give her the chance. आनी हे सगळें पळयल्या नंतर दिसतालें अशें की ताका तिकेट दिवचेच ना म्हणून सो एट द लास्ट मोमेंट शी डीड द रायट थिंग एज फार हर पॉलिटिकल करियर इज कंसर्न शी हॅज गॉन टू आम आदमी पार्टी
But Gurudas Babu, does she have her own votes? Because AAP has got X votes.
Yeah.
Does she have her own votes? Last time, were the votes which she won by, were it BJP votes, being that constituency, or were it her votes?
No, people are having some sympathy for Matan Thailand. So those people have voted her because of she is the wife of
But
Matan.
BJP votes कशे
BJP सगळ्या लोकांक ताका मतां घालूं ना
आसा, but votes थिंगा खूब आसा.
आसा
Where in the top area, the slum.
BJP has been ruling this state for last
7.
almost 10 years. 2 terms झाले न्ही हे the second term.
Yes.
So people have seen the work and some people are always there न्ही BJP voters are there.
But she has her own. At least
Yeah,
3,000
yeah.
आसात तेजे.
आसा.
Okay. रमेश.
आतां तुमी सांगले कडेन आसता ते भशेन एलिना वचपाचें कारण जें आसा हें तिकेट दिना आनी दिता तेजेर
We don't know. Yeah.
एलिना डबल ट्रॅका खातीर जाय ती कोला खातीर ती एजिटेशना भाग घेताली आनी हें ती भाग घेवप म्हणल्यार हांगा खंय तरी BJP खंय तरी एगेन्स्ट वयतालें आनी ह्या एजिटेशना खातीरच ह्या डबल ट्रॅकार तेणी सांगलें की आपूण रस्त्यार येतली आनी ती येताली बी हे खंय तरी तांकां दुखलें आसतलें म्हणून हिजो काडपाक जाय म्हणून ताका हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग लायलें आनी म्हणून ती AAP केली ही तर सामकी 100% पिक्चर क्लियर
सिंपती आसा
तिका सिंप आसा अजुनूय तिका सिंपती तिगे घोवा
जाली ना
एज एलिना म्हणून न्हू एज ए तेजी घोवाची आल्दाना हो सदांच त्या फिशरमॅना बरोबर आसलो तेंचे खातीर झगडटालो आनी ताका हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग कोल नाका आसले आनी सेम धोरण घेवन ती भायर सरली आनी प्रत्येक एजिटेशन करता आसतना लोक साल्दानालें नांव घेताले तिजे मुखार तेणी हें सांबाळलें तूं सांबाळटा काय कितें हो क्वेश्चन हांव ह्या क्वेश्चनाचेर ती मातशी तिका खंय तरी हें येतालें आनी तेन्ना ती वोगी कित्याक रावताली फर्स्ट टायम वोगी रावली कित्याक सरकारान आसलेली सरकारान आस म्हणटरीक तिका तितली उलोवपा आनी जातात तें आस तरीक उलोवपा येना पूण आमी एक बी जे पीचें एक धोरण सांगतात की तेंची धोरण अशें तो थंय ना म्हणल्यार सुद्दां हय खरो ना तो आसा थंय ना हे सगळीं म्हणटात ना हें तेंचें धोरण हांव ह्या धोरणा खातीर सगळे तोंड बंद करून रावतात ना जाल्यार एक सुद्दां आवाज कित्याक काडना हेजेर
ओके आय विल टेक यू अप ऑन दिस ओनली रमेश हेच हेजेर मरे मातशें आमी नॉर्थान पावया कित्याक हेच ना म्हणटात ना म्हणून ओके विराज मातशें आतां हे आय डोंट नो वॉट फिगर्स यूल बी एबल टू गिव बट स्पेक्युलेशन खूब जाला मायकल रमेश म्हणटा ना म्हणटा ना ओ ना म्हणटा ओय कोता ना म्हणटा हांव कांयच येना असं विराज कितें आतां इफ ही स्टेज इन BJP वॉट इज his position if he loses I mean, if he goes to Congress, what do you feel? Now, Sioli, Mandrekar, according to our surveys and even present ground, Mandrekar is leading, but his wife wants to stand there. In this. Now, Jayesh was supposed to be his man. तो BJPन गेलो सुधीर was supposed to be him man. तो तेका कालूच हे केला टिकेट दिल्या सुधीराक काँग्रेसीची सो कितें what is Michael and what is Michael's position? Was easy like last time going to remain with BJP because BJP is going to come if he feels BJP is going to come to power. What do you feel, Viraj?
So if you look, let's move on to Bardes. So if you look at the overall picture, Jayesh Sargaonkar and Rohan Khaunte have joined BJP. दोन आमदार BJPन गेल्या आणि मजा म्हणजे दोन्ही आमदार वर स्पेक्युलेटेड टू गो इन टू द काँग्रेस Rohan supporters even went into Congress party and then they came back.
Yes.
So this is very interesting. Ata, why did this happen? So one theory is because they sense BJP coming to power again or retaining it somehow. So they don't want to be out of the government for 5 years. Is one of the theories that is going around. Second is Congress is too slow. Like they had an excellent opportunity with Michael trying to jump into Congress, Jayesh wanting to contest on Congress instead of Goa forward, and Rohan supporters already in Congress. So I feel they have missed this opportunity maybe because they are lethargic, or the second reason could be these guys have sensed that BJP is much better in a much better position to come into power. So हे दोन कारणां सद्याक लोक उलयता हातूंतले एक आसूंक शकता और आनी कितें आसूंक शकता बट बार्देजाचें पॉलिटिक्स सामकें इंट्रस्टींग जाल्लें आसा सालिगांवान जयेशालो इमेज बरी आशिल्ली our survey also found that his image was good, he was with the people, he wasn't arrogant even when he was a minister. Rohan Khaunte, we know, is very powerful, his margins have increased in the last election compared to 2012. He would have won on any ticket probably, not even BJP, Congress, independent. So for him, choosing a party was not about winning. It was his personal decision.
Exactly. That's my this also.
In Saligaon, Jayesh had some issues with some section of the electorate who were backing Congress. So if Congress and Goa Forward had not got into an alliance, those votes could have gone against Jayesh. Yeah. Even if they had got into an alliance with the entry of TMC, ती जर मतां TMCक जर गेली ताका मातशे प्रॉब्लम जावपाक शकताले कितले पर्यंत ते आमी सांगू शकना ह्या पॉयंटार सो ताका लागूनय ताजें हें डिसिजन आसपाक शकता प्लस BJPच्या दृश्टीन जर चिंतत जाल्यार रोहन शुअर शॉट कॅन्डिडेट एक तांकां शुअर शॉट आमदार फुडल्या इलेक्शनांनी मेळटलो अशें तरी दिसता तुम्ही एग्री करतले जयेशाच्या जयेशाच्या बद्दल तांगेले एक रिजन आसूं शकता की सालिगांवान 3 ग्रुप जाल्ले दिलीप परुळेकार केदार नायक आनी रुपेश नायक तिनी ग्रुपाचें जें फ्रिक्शन आशिल्लें ताज्या खातीर दे मस्ट हॅव फेल्ट की इट वॉज डिफिकल्ट फॉर BJP टू विन डिस्पायट हॅविंग अ गुड वोटर बेस. सो जयेशाक घेतिल्ल्या कारणान तांचे भितरलें जें फॅक्शनलिझम आसा ताजेर तांकां मात करूंक येता अशें तांचें थिंकींग आसूं शकता. आतां कमिंग टू म्हापसान काँग्रेसीन ऑलरेडी सुधीराक टिकेट अनावन्स केल्या. मदीं स्पेक्युलेशन आशिल्लें सुधीर मे बी BJPन येता येना, थंय ताका ऑलरेडी टिकेट अनावन्स केल्ली आसा. मायकलान
पण तिकीट अनाउन्स केली म्हणून फायनली ते
फायनली
तिकीट दितात म्हणली.
You think?
बिकॉज दिस इज यू आर नॉट फायल नॉमिनेशन न्ही. यू विल रिमेंबर इन 2002 Ravi Naik was a minister with Parrikar and he got Congress ticket.
And the post, I remember the poster banner घातले पर्रीकर आणि रवीचे.
So म्हापसा आता तर BJP त्याला सांगलाय यू कभी गिव हे तिकीट म्हणून.
Interestingly, before we go to Michael Gurudas Bab, I'm saying now in Maapsa there is a big strong speculation that Joshua is not getting the ticket. So if Joshua is not getting the ticket, kon? Or is it Sudhir? Because we've heard that there have been,
जोशुआ जर तिकीट मिळाला नाही तर तो सुधीरच असतो.
see, this is what we have heard.
ना आता हातून एक इंटरेस्टिंग गोष्ट आसा. मायकल म्हणटा की म्हापसा
सुधीर माधव
सुधीराक
मनीस.
सपोर्ट करतलो म्हजो मनीस म्हणून.
Yeah.
म्हजो मनीस BJPचेर काय म्हजो मनीस काँग्रेसीचेर.
नाही मायकलचे अजून फायनल जाऊ ना न्ही.
No. Looks like.
BJP or his wife will get ticket from Shivoli. All things it depend on that.
Unlikely to get from, I'm saying, unlikely to get from BJP ticket officially.
From
Unlikely.
Shivoli.
Sure, yes.
Yeah, that is correct.
Yeah.
In that case, he may also join Congress. Still time, no? Kalangut. It is there.
What do you think?
The second,
तुवें सरान म्हणटे भशेन एक प्रश्न निर्माण जाता 2012 जेन्ना फॅमिली राज म्हूण जालें तेजो इफेक्ट कितें जाला तो सगळ्यांक पळयले कडेन आसा. आतां पोट 2022 सेम रिपीट जातलें काय कितें?
बाबा
Family राजाचे.
रमेश फॅमिली राज आणि 2012 ते BJPन काढलें ते हवा बिल्ड केल्ली तेणी. मागीर 2012 2017 फॅमिली राज ते
आतां फॅमिली राज कित्याक? सावित्री कवळेकर, बाबू कवळेकर, मायकल लोबो तेजी वायफ
दिलायला
मोन्सेरात आनीक
बाय
दोगांय ती म्हणजे हांगा
आणि विश्वजित राणे आणि
म्हणजे हे जे BJPची धोरण आसा की सामकें हेजें आमी एक सीट आतां हें धोरण चेंज जातलें
ना बट जातोले म्हणचे ऑलरेडी हजबंड अँड वायफ आर इन BJP. पण ती काँग्रेस आशिल्ली ती काँग्रेसान ओढून घेतली न्हू. आता सध्या
ते जाऊ पूण 2012चे 2022 रिपीट जातले काय कितें? कारण त्यांची भशेन गत इफेक्ट पयलींच्या भशेन जे लास्ट टायम काँग्रेसी जाल्लें तीच गत BJP जाता काय कितें? हे पळोवच पडटलें सगळें.
आय थिंक BJP विल टेक अ स्टँड एट नॉट एक्सेप्ट ताळगांव आणि पणजे. बाकीचे कडेन बायलांक तिकेट मेळची ना.
I also agree.
Yeah.
Anything statistics tell us anything about this? No. Do they?
नाही सेकंड
Not
हांव
really.
सांगता ही सेड दॅट जयेश साळगांवकर आणि रोहन खंवटे आयल्या पळय तांकां जाय म्हणटा येवना. BJP हॅव फोर्स देम टू जॉइन देअर पार्टीज. रोहनान चिंतलें कितें की आतां आपल्या भावाक जर तिकेट मेळना जाल्यार वाय टू गो टू जॉइन काँग्रेस.
What's the point?
आणि परवरी काँग्रेस सामकी वीक आसा. दे डोंट हॅव एनी इवन ब्लॉक कमिटी ते कांयच ना. आणि BJP हॅज सीन दॅट ही इफ इज विनींग तांणी रवी काडलो BJPन. जयेशाच तेच जालां. जयेश एज यू सेड देवर 3 सालिगांव, केदार नायक, रुपेश नायक आणि आमचो दिलीप पळयकर. ह्या तिगांचे मदीं कोणाक एकटेच तिकेट मेळपाची. अदर 2 ग्रूप पुट वर्क अगेन्स्ट हिम. So they went for आमचो
रवीचे you should be the best what I got. Now Ravi is standing, his son is standing. They can किती what do you think?
नाही what I feel न्ही की Ravi will be the candidate.
Will be the candidate.
Yeah, otherwise you would have there was no need for him to join BJP. His son already joined long back, and there they were ditched. He was not made a chairman of the municipality council. They had fight those councillors for BJP only. So what I feel that आणि वाय दॅट्स वाय दे हॅव टेकन हिम. रवी स्वतः रावो वेगळं, ते चल्याक तेव्हा वेगळं.
BJPची जी कमांड आसा ती बरी आसा. तुम्ही बस म्हणल्यार ते बसतले, उठ म्हणल्यार उठतात. ती काँग्रेसी ना. काँग्रेसीक जो कोण उलयता तो राजा, तो फायनल. म्हणून काँग्रेसीची आतां काँग्रेसी दशी जाली ती घी लिडर ना तेंका. आतां तुम पळया तेंका एक लिडर आसा कोणी.
ओके ते लिडरशिप आणि हे करून घेतले नाव रवी. My personal opinion, Ravi stands Congress or BJP. Ravi could win,
Yeah.
but none of his sons, even if his son stands on BJP, I don't think they can win. Is that out? You agree with me, Gurdas Bab?
आय फुली एग्री विथ बिकॉज रवीचे पळय हा इमेज आहा न्ही दॅट डिफरंट.
Very
हय ते चल्याक ना न्ही.
No, kind by Sorona, they have not moved among the people. Nothing.
So what will happen if his son is given the ticket नाही, the seat is gone. आणि BJP आता एक जागा आहा पळय, दे नीड समाव 21 सीट्स. त्यामुळे सगळे आनी काढून घेवपाचे आहात ते आतां. पेडणे मतदारसंघात एमजी तुजो कॅन्डिडेट आसलो पळय, ही आर्लेकर, ही जॉयनींग BJP. मयात एमजीचो कॅन्डिडेट आणि आमचो पळय प्रवीण झांटये ताणें ऑलरेडी
TMC
एमजी कडेन हें केलें ताणें.
most likely to join
MGP.
because he's
So
not also probably
what
getting a
BJP want
ticket.
now, in any way they want power. 21 सीट जायत म्हणटात ते, कारण लास्ट टायम तांकां पळय MJPचे 2 आणि तशें तांकां नाका.
ते भानगड नाका.
फोंड्या एक इंटरेस्टिंग फॅक्ट आसा. 2012 इलेक्शन जाल्लें तेन्ना रवी नायकाक 9,295 वोट्स पडिल्ली आनी तेन्ना युती आशिल्ली BJP MGPची, ताका लागून तो एक 3,000 मतांनी हरिल्लो. वेरेस 2017 9,343 पडली. म्हणजे पळया 9,200 आनी 9,300 ताजी मतां इतली कॉन्स्टंट आसात.
Yeah.
फक्त 2017 युती नासली, 2-3 कॅन्डिडेट रावले, ताका लागून मतां फुटली आनी रवी नायक जिखलो.
So now
आणि
Ravi has got 9,000 votes of his own. Looks like.
9,000 of his own plus Congress, or how many are his own we don't know, and that is the only time he lost. 2012 फोंड्या एकूचदा हरला रवी, हाज्या पयलीं फोंड्या हरूंक ना.
Never.
प्रत्येक मतदारसंघात काँग्रेसची 3 ते 4 मतां आसात.
असत.
ऑल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी नाव दे मे चेंज.
ना आता माझी कमी झाली. Now it's gone to 19%. ना now the percentage also कमी झाल्या. First it was 40%.
खूप कमी झाल्या, खूप कमी झाल्या.
पण जाल्यार कितें जाता, हे सगळे आमी जर पळयले जायत न्ही, तर BJP इज ट्रायिंग लेवल बेस्ट.
Absolutely.
कोणाकय घेतात आतां, म्हणजे जो कोण जिखपाची शक्यता आहा पळय,
Winnability.
फॉर्म गव्हर्नमेंट. आणि खूप चेंजीस जावपाचे आहा. पीपल आर सेइंग दॅट बाय वेट टिल 19 December when PM comes to Goa.
Okay. Yes, on this note, we've like run out of time. On this note, let us close this discussion and maybe we will take it after the PM comes and goes. We will have the same debate on what happens at that time. Thanks Viraj. Thanks Gurdas Bab. Thanks Ramesh. Thank you. And keep watching Goa 365.